A 45-year-old Singaporean man has been executed on August 2nd after being convicted of drug trafficking. This news has sparked discussions across various platforms, highlighting the severity of Singapore's strict drug laws and the circumstances surrounding this particular case. According to the Central Narcotics Bureau, CNB, the man was found in possession of 4 packets of granular substances. Upon analysis, these substances were identified to contain 36.93 grams of diamorphine, a form of pure heroin. To put this into perspective, this amount of heroin is sufficient to sustain the addiction of approximately 440 abusers for a week. Singapore's Misuse of Drugs Act stipulates the death penalty for anyone found trafficking more than 15 grams of diamorphine, and in this case, the quantity seized was more than double that limit. The man was sentenced to death on February 15, 2019 after a thorough legal process, during which he was represented by legal counsel. However, the sentence did not end there. He subsequently appealed against his conviction and sentence, taking his case to the Court of Appeal. Despite his efforts, the appeal was dismissed on November 25, 2019, sealing his fate under Singapore's stringent drug trafficking laws. In a final attempt to save his life, the man petitioned the President of Singapore for clemency. This is a critical step that many on death row take, hoping for mercy. Unfortunately for him, the petition was unsuccessful, and the capital sentence was confirmed. The execution notice was reportedly issued on July 29, just days before the execution took place. This notice period has raised concerns among certain groups, particularly the Transformative Justice Collective, an organization that advocates for the abolition of the death penalty in Singapore. In a Facebook post on August 1st, the collective claimed that the notice period was shorter than the usual 7 days. They also alleged that the execution notice was issued before the written judgment of his appeal was delivered. These claims have added a layer of controversy to an already sensitive issue, raising questions about the timing and procedures followed in this case. The execution has reignited the ongoing debate about Singapore's approach to drug-related offenses. While the government stands firm on its position that strict laws, including the death penalty, are necessary to deter drug trafficking and protect society, critics argue that these measures are too harsh and do not address the root causes of drug abuse and trafficking. This case is yet another example of how Singapore's legal system operates under the firm belief that strong deterrents are essential to maintaining public safety. As always, we encourage you, our viewers, to share your thoughts on this issue. Do you believe Singapore's drug laws are effective in deterring crime, or do you think the penalties are too severe? We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this coverage informative, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230, for more in-depth news and analysis.